This Bananas Foster oatmeal is a take on the New Orleans classic, free of dairy and packed with fiber. For all my diabetic clients, the first breakfast that I recommend to them is old-fashioned oatmeal. Not the instant stuff, because that can cause blood sugar spikes and we're trying to avoid that. With diabetes, we're dealing with insulin resistance, and dairy is going to be one of the most inflammatory foods that they can consume, so the plant milk is going to lessen insulin resistance rather than add to it. This bowl of oats will keep you full well into lunchtime, so enjoy.